Hi, Amber Kenyon here. I am the Outreach Officer with Gateway Research Organization, and I'm coming to you from the GRO Heifer Pasture. We brought in our herd of heifers for the summer. They have been doing great. We have them out and moving. We also purchased a drone this winter. One of the first questions that we received in when we mentioned the drone was, well, how do you think the cattle are going to respond to that? So today was the first day that we've had the drone out with the cattle. And as you can see, they're a little bit flighty. They're not sure of it. I made sure to stay up really high and stay back a fair ways. So we were watching for animal movement and just to make sure that they weren't going to blow through fences or anything, because nobody wants that. And they did pretty well. So our plan is throughout the summer to have it around them fairly regularly. We want them comfortable with it. One of the things with a drone is you can either get them to move away from it, or you can get them comfortable with it so that they'll come close. You can't really do both. And because we want to get some footage of the animals and we want to be able to get their grazing methods and stuff, their grazing habits on video, we don't want to be having them afraid of it and having them run away and move away from it. So this is what it looked like today, and really excited to bring you this little update, and I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot more throughout the summer.